Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again to my presentation. And in this presentation, I would like to talk about our research entitled Growth and Yield of Potato Plant Solanum tuberosum L in medium latitude treated with biofertilizer extragent. This research was undertaken by Nurlaili, Prof. Mansur, Prof. Muhammad Sarjan, and myself, Aluh Nikmatullah. We are from Faculty of Agriculture, University of Mataram, Indonesia. Before I start the presentation, I would like to thank again the ICCBB committee for giving us opportunity to present our second paper. The background of our research is due to the fact that potato is the fourth most important staple food in the world after rice, wheat, and corn. In Indonesia, potato is increasingly important and utilized for vegetable and as a source of carbohydrate. In addition, potato is an important commodity for the industry. The potato consumption in Indonesia rises by 14% in the last 5 years, while the production did not increase. It's around 1.2 million tons per year. Therefore, there is a need to increase the potato production in Indonesia, and this might need to extend the cultivation to a lower latitude as the availability of highland in Indonesia is limited. Potato is subtropical plants, and in Indonesia, it is cultivated in highlands to obtain suitable environment for optimum growth and productivity. In lower land, potato plant will be exposed to a suboptimal condition, including temperature and more disease and pests. Biofertilizer application may be important to help the plant faces the suboptimal condition as it contains beneficial microbe, plant growth regulator, and humic acid. There is very limited information available in this matter. Therefore, the aim of this study was to examine the effect of various concentration and frequency of biofertilizer extragent application on growth and yield of potato plant grown in medium latitude. This research was conducted according to a randomized, completely block design experiment, and the experiment was undertaken in Briri Jarak village of West Lombok at latitude of about 550 meters above mean sea level. There are two factors examined: biofertilizer extragent concentration, which were 1.3 milliliter per liter, 2.6 milliliter per liter, and 4 milliliter per liter. And the second factor was the frequency of biofertilizer application, which were 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. The experiment was conducted in the experimental plot of 1.2 times 1.2 times 0.3 meter, weight, length, and height. The potato seed tuber was planted in the space of 40 centimeters between row and 20 centimeters intra-row. Therefore, there was 18 plants per plot. Biofertilizer extragent was applied by spraying the soil and above soil plant part every 10 days. In addition to that, NPK fertilizer, ZA, SP36, and KCl were also added to the plant. Insecticide and fungicide was applied every week from weeks 3 to 9, and other maintenance were undertaken according to the standard cultivation system. The result of our experiment: growth of potato plant treated with different concentration and frequency of spray with biofertilizer. The biofertilizer concentration as well as the frequency of spray didn't significantly influence the plant press width. This figure show that there was an increased plant height as the age of the plant were increased. There were also an increase in the number of leaves of the plant as the age of the plant increased. However, there was no significant alteration by different concentration and frequency of spray with biofertilizer extragent to the plant height or to the number of leaves. This table shows the yield of potato plant treated with different concentration and frequency of spray with biofertilizer extragent. As can be seen from the table, the concentration and frequency of spray also didn't alter the number of tuber and the yield of the tuber in each treatment. This table shows that each plant produces about 2.2 to 2.6 tuber per plant with a tuber size which is about 26 to 30 gram per plant, and the yield is 1.4 to 1.7 kilogram per plant. Discussion. The potato plant can grow and produce tuber in the medium latitude at CL 550 meter above mean sea level, but the number, the size, and the yield of the tuber were still low. The growth and the tuber yield of potato plant did not significantly alter by different concentration and frequency of spray with biofertilizer extragent. Biofertilizer extragent contain consortium of microorganisms and it requires favorable environment and adequate soil organic matter for its growth and multiplication. The soil type in the experiment site is the inceptisol soil with low clay and high sand, and it's very porous and has low humidity, and this might be one reason that's the providing unfavorable for soil microbial growth. In addition to that, the concentration of organic matter in the experimental site is very low. Then therefore, it might be not enough for the microbe to grow, and there was competition between plant and microbe in biofertilizer extragent. Some microorganisms in the biofertilizer extragent, such as Azospirillum spp, were also reported to sensitive to suboptimal temperature, and in this condition, they might not be grow well, so the beneficial effect of the biofertilizer of extragent cannot be obtained. Population of soil microorganisms from biofertilizer in this study might be low, and therefore the beneficial impact could not be obtained. In conclusion, the potato plant can grow and produce tuber in the latitude of about 520 meters above mean sea level. However, the growth and the tuber yield were very low. Growth and yield of potato plant in medium latitude of 520 meters above mean sea level did not affected by the concentration, frequency of biofertilizer extragent application and interaction between them. That's all my presentation. Before I close my presentation, we would like to thank the Ministry of Research and Technology for granting the strategic research grant to Professor Muhammad Sarjan et al. Thank you very much for your kind attention and see you again. Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again to my presentation. And in this presentation, I would like to talk about our research entitled Growth and Yield of Potato Plant Solanum tuberosum L in medium latitude treated with bio. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again to my presentation. And in this presentation, I would like to talk about our research entitled Growth and Yield of Potato Plant Solanum tuberosum L in medium latitude treated with biofertilizer extragent. This research was undertaken by Nurlaili, Prof. Mansur, Prof. Muhammad Sarjan, and myself, Aluh Nikmatullah. We are from Faculty of Agriculture, University of Mataram, Indonesia. Before I start the presentation, I would like to thank again the ICCBB committee for giving us opportunity to present our second paper. The background of our research is due to the fact that potato is the fourth most important staple food in the world after rice, wheat, and corn. In Indonesia, potato is increasingly important and utilized for vegetable and as a source of between plant and microbe in biofertilizer extragent. Some microorganisms in the biofertilizer extragent, such as medium latitude of 520 meter above mean sea level, did not affected by the concentration frequency of biofertilizer extragent application of research and technology for granting the strategic research grant to Professor Muhammad Sarjan et al. Thank you very much for your kind attention and see you again. Good morning.